Starting a new business isn't easy. There's a lot you need to know that will keep you legal, keep you from wasting money, and help you with all the little things that pop up. Our first three videos are free to anyone who wishes to watch and learn. And the next five videos are part of our course and are important things to learn about starting a business, from naming your business to the logo and structure, whether in Inc., LLC, etc., to insurance and liabilities. Then we have 8 lessons that go into important items you need to learn to operate a successful personal care business, such as choosing your printers, inks, types of bottles, making labels, etc. After that, there are 31 lessons on making different products, how to make them, where to obtain wholesale supplies, what to watch out for, how to make them. We hope you enjoy and learn from the free videos and decide to help yourself by taking the course. Here are the videos as of today, and there will be more in the coming future. See the links in the notes and comments to watch the free videos and/or learn more about our course. Have a great day.